Hi, this is Balakrishnudu, lecturer in computer science. Today I would like to discuss the topic that is a string manipulations. String manipulations in our JavaScript. So here string is an object. It is an object which will be contain the some stored data. So here it is possible to modifications. So this is also called, we are called the manipulation. So main intention is here string is an object which will be contain the some piece of data. We can change the data, or we can update the data. That process is simply called modification. That is also simply manipulation. So this simply, what is the string manipulation? A string is an object which will be contain the some data, then it is possible to modification or updation or manipulation on that string object. So that's why we first of all how to create a string object, after that how to assign the data to that string. The first syntax, there are two types of syntax for creating the object. The first syntax is number one, var text is equals to, then after that you can use the new, then string, then after that string semicolon. This is the first string. Here first means here var is a keyword, text is a object variable, here new is a keyword which is used to create an object. Here string is a class. Here then after that here string is nothing but some message, some string. So this is the concept. So here one simple example for the first syntax, that is means I would like to take the var str is equals to new string hello world. Now I am taking this is the one simple example. This is the first syntax. There is also another syntax for this one, var text is equals to, we can directly write the string without using the that means it is automatically create the object and assign the data. So for this one, the same example you can write like this one, var str is equals to, simply we write the double quotation, I am writing the hello world. So this is also another type of creation of the object and assigning the values. So in here how it will be storing? H E L L O space W O R L D, like this one. So this is the way of storing the data. Here white space is also allocated in the some location. So this is the way of allocation. I think we know very well how to allocate, and means the arrays which will be starting with the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So total index is starting with the, our index value starting with the 0, ending with the 10. But total number of strings are the 11 letters. That means total number the 11 letters, 11 spaces are allocated. So now this is the way of storing the data. Now we will be one by one. The first string manipulation. So now I would like, the first string manipulation is nothing but first string, that is a char at. This is the string first function. This is the string manipulation function, char at. So this is the syntax. The first syntax is like this. Syntax char, that means str dot char 80, and after that we are writing the index value. So here we take the str, so we can also treat it as the, here str is a object, so that's why I'm taking the str, it is a string, then after that char at, in bracket I will be taking the 0. here I will be taking the 0. So this is the 0 means here it is a index value. So what is the 0th character? H. This is a capital H. So what is the output? Here output is the H. This is the simple character that means this function will be indication, it gives the letters at the particular index position. This is the simple one function. And second function, concat, concat, concat. So this means this is the one type of function which is used to combine the two strings. It is used to combine the string, two or more strings. Can use the many number of strings. That means, for example, if I am taking the first string vr str1 is equals to hello. Next string vr str2 is equals to world. Now I would like to string 1, string 2 and combine store into the string 3. That means I will be taken the another string, that means vr str3. Now I would like to combination of string 1 and string 2, and it will be more than one string. That means here I will be taken the str3 dot concat. Now we are writing the str3 dot concat str1 comma str2. So now I would like to combine the two strings, and before that one we are taking this is the high. So every string will be represented within a double quotation and ending with the semicolon like this one. This is the syntax. Now we are guessing the output. Here output means whatever the string here object, that object will do first one string 1 and string 2 and store again into the string 3. So first of all, what is the high? str3, it is a high. Then after that str1, that is hello. The next one str2, that means world. So output means str3 means hi, hello, world. That means our str3 will be contains the total hi, hello, world. In previously str3, that means string 3 will be contains the only high. After completion of the concatenation, our string 3 will be contains the hi, hello, world data. So this is the simple concept belongs to our concat. That means it is possible to more than one string also possible. So then after that third method, that the third function is, that is the index of. So it is nothing but it will, here the function is index of, means here the purpose of this function means if you want to search any letter, if you want search any letter or word in a string object, it means it will be searching. If it is successfully searching, that means it is the find, then it will gives the 0 to size -1. That means index size 0 means 0. If it is not found, it is not found, then it will gives the -1. Means if our searching letter will be in the, our searching letter in substring object, then it gives the 0 to size -1, any index value. Otherwise, if the our letter or word in that not string, then it will give the -1. So this is the simply, I will take the one simple example. Here I will be taken, this is the hello world. Now I will be taken, that is nothing but a string strd index of. I would like to search the e. So what would be he? That means str means contains the hello world. So where is the he? That means e. That position is nothing but the output is the 1. For example, if I am writing str index of z, so it will be searching each and there is a h e l l o space w o r l d, but there is no z letter. So that's why what is the output? Here it will give the -1 because of it is a not found. It is a founded, so that's why it gives the index value. Index value. That means what is the return value of the index value? The index function will be returns the 0 to size minus 1. That means it becomes the index values. If it is not found, then it will give the negative values. That's what we are doing here. Index of sz. A z letter is not available in this string object. Our string will be contains hello world. So this is about the index of. The next one is nothing but the next function, that is the last index of. Here last index of means it will also another type of function, another type of string object function. The last index of method returns the position of the last found occurrences of a special value in a string. The last index of method returns the position of the last found occurrence of a specified value in a string. One simple example. Now I will be taking the str last index of here I capital letter, O capital letter, then I will be taking the L. So please observe here, in our string the data will be contains HELLO space WORLD. If I am writing the str index of means L, what it will gives here? HEL. That means it gives the second index value. That means the here output is the second, because of it is only index of. But here our question is the str last index of means where it will be last. L anymore here L. So what is the here L position is 2 and L position is 3 and here L position is 9. What is our question? Last index. This method is the last index. That's why the output of this one means last index output is nothing but it will gives the, that is the index value, that position is the 9. This is the purpose of the last index of method. So the next method is length. Means the length property, the length of method gives the number of characters in that string. So how many strings are available in our string? So it will give the simple. So what is our string? If you are using like this one, str dot length. So if you are like this one, just simple, HELLO space WORLD. That means totally 0 to 10. 0 to 10 means how many letters including 0. That means it gives the 11 letters. So that means what is the size here? Length means it will give the 11. 11 is the output. So the next function is that is length. After that we can take the split. It is a method. Split is also another type of method. So by using this method we can take the one simple example. After that I will. The split method is used to split a string into an array of substring and returns the new array. The split method is used to split a string into array of substrings and returns the new string. So we are take the simple syntax like this one. A string, here string is there, then after that split, then after that separator, then after that how many. That means I will take the limit. So for example, here I will be taking the var. One simple example, var str is equals to how are you. I am taking the one simple another example. I will take the like this one. var str is equals to how are you. Now my question is I am writing the str split parenthesis. Then here we are not mentioned any separator and any limited. So that's why it is automatically gives the same output. That is the how are you. Then after that we are taking the one more example. Str split double quotation space. That means we are giving the split by the space. Then it will give the output is the like this one. HOW comma AR comma U. Means Here it is by default. Here it will represent the double quotation, that is the space is run. That means whenever the space is available, that will be treated as another substring and put into a one array. So then after that we want to go to the another topic, that means same thing, another example, str split double quotation but without any space, then it will be output will be like this one. It means if you want the output like this one, h comma o comma w comma a comma r comma e comma I comma r comma e comma y comma u, that means it each and every letter is treated as a one substring and separated by the comma, because of we are represented within a single quotation. But if you want to represent the same one word by the three letters, then like this one, the output will becomes HOW comma ARE comma YOU. Then so here please observe here space with the space comma, then after that we are using the, that is the three letters by separated by that. This is nothing but a separator comma lip. Okay, this is about the split method. It is a split method. So last index split method. The next one is substring method. So till to now what we have discussed, the first one is the caret, second one is the concatenation, and third one is the index of, and fourth one is the last index of, and fifth one is the length, and sixth one is the split, and seventh one is the substring. So here substring means FUBSTRA, substring. So here if you want separated substring, then we are take the like simple example, we are str is equals to same hello world, then after that I am writing the str substring 3 like this one. Then what is the output? Just it will be taken like this one, means first three letters L O space W or LD. This is the output for this one. Here we are take the substring, means the substring method extract the characters from a string between two specified indices and returns the new substring. Substring means it is a method extracts the characters from a string between two specified indices and return the new substring. This method extracts the characters in a string between from and to, not including the to itself. So first observe this example, then after that I will go to the syntax. So then after that I will be taken one more example, that is a simply, if you want to take the simple like this one, same mean str substring 3 comma 7 substring, S is the capital letter, here also S is the capital letter, 3 comma 7. That means now we are going to the string, means third letter means which one? HELL, that is the third letter. That means we are going to third one is L O. What is the seventh letter? Is a O. That means we are going to not including that one. That means we are going to the LOW. LO space W. That means there is only 4 characters, 4 letters will be. So based on this one, now I am telling the what is the syntax. So after completion of these two examples, we can get some idea. So for this one, I will be taken the, that is string dot substring from comma 2. So once again I will be explain the substring. The substring method extract the characters from a string between two specified indices. These two specified indices from 2 and returns the new substring. This extract the characters in the strings between from and to, but not including the two. That's why we won't take the O. That means actually seventh letter is the O, but not including the two. That means not including the two indices. Whereas the here seven, not excluding the seventh character from third character to sixth character. So this is the concept belongs to our substring concept. Then next concept, that is there is one more function, that is simply sub str only. That means now I will be taken the another thing, that is the eighth one, that is the function is sub str. This method extract the characters from a string beginning start throughout the specified number. That means here there is no ending. We are already told that. That means the substring method, here substring method extract the characters from a string. It also characters from a string beginning at start and throughout the specified number of characters. Here specified number of characters, here specified number of characters. That means there is two factors, one is the start, then after that number of characters. So simple example, str dot same sub str 3 comma 7. Actually if you write the sub string substring, if you write the substring, then it will be the from third letter to sixth letter, not including the seventh letter. This is the about the substring, but here it is the substring str means here extract the characters from third letter, third letter means it is the l. That means we will take the l, then from onwards l means we take the seven characters. That means this is the first character, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh. That means the output will becomes like this one, l o space w o r l. So this is the output for this one. If you write the same for the str dot sub string, that means you are take the sub string like sub string of 3 comma 7. What is the output here? Just l o w only. So please observe what is the difference between this and this one. So here str sub str only, that means it is only one method. It will be taken the from starting position and take with the number of characters. This is the number of characters means 7. But here sub string, here observe this one. So this is the lo, that is the third letter. This will comes the seventh, that means not including the seventh letter. That means from third letter to sixth letter. That's why we are taking the third letter, means there is the third letter is the l and seventh, but not include the 7. That's why l o space w, that becomes the sub string. But whereas the sub str means from third letter onwards it will be taken the total 7 letters. This is the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one, sixth one, seventh one. So totally l o w o r. So this is the output of the sub str. So please observe what is the difference between the sub str and sub string. Both are the methods, but please observe here it is a one capital, a string is a capital. Both are the methods, both are extract from the strings, but the difference means if you want to select from the number of characters, then you are taking the sub str. If you want to from and to, from the index 1 from b to index based on the index, we can take the substring. So this is the the main difference between this one. It is a single word, but it is the combination of two words. That's why the after one method there is a small formality, s is the capital letter, that is the sub str. Now I will go to the next topic, the next method, that is the to lower case. For example, now I will be taking one simple example. We are str is equals to h a I. This is our letters. Here str is equals to h a I. If you want to convert all letters into the lowercase letter, simply we are writing the str dot to lower case. Now output is the HAI. That means it is possible our string data will be converted into the lowercase letters. So this is the concept belongs to the our two lowercase. But please remember, this is a two, this is a lower, this is the case. There are the three words are there, but in the method the starting letter must and should be the small letter. Then after that, if any word, that means if you want to combine the three words, then we are using the first letter is the capital letter L K C. But in beginning we don't use, there are three words first, but first letter not the capital letter, because of it is a method in our JavaScript language. Okay, the next one is and last, that is the two uppercase to uppercase. The same example, we are str is equals to str. Now I am writing the str dot to upper case. So then what is the output here? Simply we are getting the all letters are the capital. That means we want to convert the from lowercase to uppercase, then we are taking the two uppercases. So finally what we are learning, so totally number of string manipulations are there. Now we will discuss only 10 string manipulations. The first one is nothing but a caret, the next one is the concat, next one is the index of, next one is the last index, next one is the length, next one is the split, next one is the substring, and next one is the substring, next one is the lowercase letter and uppercase letters. These are the string manipulation. So finally what is our opinion? We are taking the one string object, we are store that object, and finally we are convert or we are modification data on that string. So this is about our string manipulation. Okay, thank you and all.